this. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay.
Waking up, an AI plans your day, drives your car, and even picks your playlist. Sounds like sci-fi? It's 2025, and AI is running your life in ways that'll shock you. How does it work? Why is it everywhere? When did it take over? And where is it changing the game? Welcome to the Curiosity Hub, where we unravel the world's wildest questions. Buckle up for the mind-blowing truth about AI in 2025. How does AI work in your daily life? First, how is AI sneaking into your life? It's all about algorithms that act like a super smart brain. AI uses neural networks, think digital neurons, crunching billions of data points to understand your habits. When you ask Grok, created by XAI, what's for dinner? It scans recipes, your diet preferences, and even your fridge's inventory in seconds. In 2025, AI co-pilots are everywhere. Colon times. They draft your work emails, edit your TikTok videos, and even remind you to call mom. Shocking stat. Gartner says 80% of apps you use daily now have AI built in. It's like having a genius sidekick that never sleeps. Take your morning routine. Your AI alarm wakes you based on your sleep patterns, your coffee maker brews at the perfect time, and your car's AI navigates traffic. At work, AI summarizes meetings or designs presentations. It's not just convenience, it's rewiring how you live, one task at a time. Why is AI taking over everything? So, why is AI taking over? It's a productivity powerhouse. McKinsey reports 60% of companies in 2025 use AI to cut costs and boost efficiency. Imagine a store using AI to predict what you'll buy. It's why Amazon's shelves never run dry. At home, AI is in your fridge suggesting recipes to avoid food waste. But here's the shocker. AI is not just about convenience, it's saving lives. In hospitals, AI spots cancer in scans with 90% accuracy, faster than most doctors. But there's a catch. AI is so good, some jobs like data entry are vanishing. Yet, it's creating new ones like AI trainers. It's a trade-off that's reshaping the world faster than you think. When did AI become this powerful? When did AI go from sci-fi to your smartphone? It kicked off in the 1950s with basic algorithms, but the 2010s lit the fuse with machine learning. By 2020, ChatGPT blew minds with human-like chat. Then, in 2023, XAI's Grok, built in a Memphis supercomputer, took it up a notch, answering questions like a friend. The real shock? In 2025, AI is in everything. Your card, your apps, even your toothbrush. A single year made AI a daily must-have, with 1 billion users worldwide, per Statista. That's faster growth than the internet itself. Where is AI changing the world most? Silicon Valley and Beijing are the AI capitals, building tools like Grok or Baidu's Ernie. But the shock is how global it's gone. In India, farmers use AI to predict rainfall, boosting crop yields by 20%. In Africa, AI-powered drones deliver medicine to remote villages. In your city, AI runs traffic lights to cut congestion. The craziest part? Surprised. AI's in space. NASA uses it to guide Mars rovers in 2025. No matter where you live, AI's rewriting the rules of life. Drop it in the comments about your favorite AI automation in your life and smash that like and subscribe button for more mind blowing topics. See you next time for more epic reveals.